keep kicking until he moves. Kick it. Why you doing that?
He's holding his brakes too much, Daryl.
Yeah, let me loosen this a little bit. Now, kick him and bump this way. Now kick it.
No, don't forget. Hey, no.
Kick it. Kick it. Cluck to him. There you go. When he gets to going, don't pull it back. Keep it forward so he'll keep going.
I was looking for...
He's stopping for water. Back it up.
Alright, take it the other way. Pull that way. Pull hard. Do it hard. You can't hurt him. Do it hard.
Logan, back away. Don't do that.
There you
There
go.
you go.
Good
That's
job,
good.
baby.
Now, let him stay around the edge of that rail.
I can also do it outside.
Kick it. Now, that's good. Let him keep going on his own. Don't do nothing else. Just sit right there.
Hi, Brad.
You only move it when you want him to go a certain direction. No, don't do that. Just hold your hand, hold it still. Let him keep going. Kick to it.
Did you really?
Do that.
Yeah.
Do that.
Bucked off?
Hey.
It's like I can ball me for a second.
I would have thought he was done.
Let's get booked up one time.
Got it? Push that way. There you
There
go.
you go.
Now, when he wants to stop, you just do that to him. There you go.
Keep doing it again and again.
Kick to him one time.
There's my
Clutch
thing.
to it. There you go. Loosen your brakes up a little bit. Push it forward. Don't stop. No. Yeah. Nice. Do that. There you go.
Lost his
Now
attention.
start. Turn the other way. Let him go the other way. Now do that again. Kiss him like you kissed your girlfriend. There you go. One more time. Bump his head this way. Yeah. Yeah. Stay away. Yeah.
Kiss to him.
Now kiss to it. There you go. Keep your brakes loose. Keep your brakes loose. Just keep going. There you go. Good deal.
He's riding. I'm not sure he put this in his Facebook.